Hi everyone, welcome back to the react.js tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about function as a props. Let's see how we can pass a props as a function. So for that, switch to the project and inside the project, just click on src, then components, and inside the component, just create a new component. So let's say new component name is employee. So just write here employee.js. Inside the employee component, just write here import. So just write here import react, and inside the curly bracket, just write here component C capital, okay, from react. All right, now just create a class for the employee. So just write here class employee extend with component. All right, curly bracket start and close. Now add here the render method, and inside the render method just return a div, and inside the div just add here the title employee inside the h1 tag. All right, and here just export the employee component. So just write here export default and component name, which is employee. All right, now save the file. Now go to the app.js file, and here first of all import the employee component. So just write here import employee from components slash employee. All right, now here just add employee. All right, now save the file and let's check. So switch to the browser and go to the localhost 3000, and it's compile successful, and you can see here the employee component. Okay, do one thing, just remove the post component and teacher component. Okay, so just I am going to remove this, and now save the file. You can see here the employee component. Okay, now change app component from functional component to class component. So go to the project, and here app.js, you can see here this is the functional component. Now I am going to change it with class component. Okay, so for that just write here import react, and here just write in curly bracket component. Okay, and here just remove this and add here the class and component name, which is app extend with extends with component. All right, and just add here the render method, and inside the render method let's cut this return and paste it here. All right, now add here the state. So just write here a state is equal to curly bracket start and close. All right, now inside the state just create an object for the employee. So I'm just going to write here employee colon, and here write here id is equal to 1, name id colon, name colon, let's say name is Jennifer, email jennifer@gmail.com, and phone number, phone, let's say phone number is 123456789 all right. Create another one, id is equal to 2, name is equal to John, email is, let's say email is john@gmail.com, phone 123456789 okay. And create one more, id 3, name Peter, email peter@gmail.com, and phone number, phone, let's say phone is 123456789 all right. Now save the file and now pass this object to the employee component. So just write here employees is equal to curly bracket this start state dot employees okay. Now save the file and go to the employee component, and here inside the render method just write here const employees is equal to this dot props dot employee okay. And here just write here const employee list is equal to employees dot map employee arrow method, and here just return inside the div just add here the tag and just simple print name is employee dot name email in curly bracket employee dot email, and last one phone, so just write here phone inside the curly bracket employee dot phone all right. And here inside the div just add here the key is equal to employee dot id all right. Now inside the return, just add here after the employee title in curly bracket employee list. Alright, now save the file and let's see the result. So switch to the browser and here is an error, employees is undefined. App.js employees. Okay, spelling mistake. Alright, now switch to the browser and you can see here employee list. Name, the Jennifer, John and Peter. Alright, now add a new component for adding the new employee. So switch to the project and just right click on component and add new. Let's say new component is add employee. Okay, inside the add employee component, first of all import the react. So just write here import react component from react. Alright, and here just add the class add employee extends with component curly bracket start and close, and here just write state is equal to, inside the state create some properties. So let's say some name null, email null and phone it's also null. Okay, now create the render and inside the render method just return div, and inside div this div just create a curly bracket parenthesis. Okay, inside this div just create a form. So just write here form, create a field for the name. So just write here name, input type text, name is equal to name. Right, now create a field, input field for the email. Email input type is equal to email, name is equal to email. All right, phone input type text, name is equal to phone. Add the break tag. All right, also create the submit button. So let's write here button submit. Type is equal to submit. All right. Now create a function for handle the change event. So here just write this dot sorry handle change. Okay, pass the parameter e arrow function, and inside this just write here this dot set state, and inside the set state just write here e dot target dot name colon e dot target dot value. All right. Now add this change handle change function to the input field. So just copy this, and here just write on change event is equal to curly bracket. Just write here this dot handle change. Okay. Also add here for the email on change this dot handle change, and for the phone on change this dot handle change. Okay. All right. Now create a function for the handle submit form submit. So just create a new function handle submit. All right. And here just write e dot prevent default. All right. And now this handle submit function just add here to the form. So just write here on submit this dot handle submit. All right. Now go to the app.js file, and here just create a function for add employee. So just write here add employee is equal to employee arrow function, and here just write employee dot id is equal to math dot random. Just create a random number. Okay, using math dot random method. Right. Now let employees is equal to 3 dot this dot state dot employees comma employee. All right. And this dot set state, and here just add the employees colon employees. All right, now pass this add employee method to the add employee component. So just copy this method, and here just write add employee. First of all, import the add employee component. So just write here import add employee from component slash add employee. All right, now here just write add employee and pass here the method add employee. So just write here add employee, and in curly bracket just write here add this dot add employee. All right, now go to the add employee component, and here just write this dot props dot add employee, and inside this just write here this dot state. All right, now save the file, and let's check. So switch to the browser. All right, just add here inside the add employee component, just add here export add employee export default add employee. Okay, now save the file and switch to the browser. You can see here the form and employee list. Okay, just add here the title. So just write here h1 tag add new employee. All right, now save the file. All right, you can see here the add new employee form, and here is the employee list. Okay, let's add a new employee. So just write here Smith, email id is smith @gmail.com, phone number let's say this. Okay, now click on submit. You can see here a new employee has been added. Okay, so in this way you can pass the function as a props. All right, so that's all about function as a props. So thanks for watching this video, and if you still have any kind of question, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.